Craving sugar isn't weak willpower. It's your brain's reward system getting hijacked. In animal studies, sweet taste can outcompete cocaine for reward seeking, which tells you how hard this hits. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why sugar hooks your brain, how the craving loop forms, and a simple 10-day plan to reset. There's one mistake that keeps cravings alive even when you cut back, and I'll show you how to avoid it. Let's map the circuit, then break it. Sugar triggers a rapid dopamine spike in the nucleus accumbens, the same pathway drugs target, faster and cheaper than real meals. The thing most people miss is this: sweet plus fast delivery hits hardest. Liquid calories, low fiber, and ultra-processed treats flood the system. Do it often and tolerance builds. Your brain downregulates dopamine receptors. Baseline pleasure drops, cravings rise, and now you need more just to feel normal. Cues seal the trap: stress, fatigue, scrolling, bright packaging. Your brain links them to relief, and you start seeking automatically. Cutting some sugar keeps receptors teased, therefore withdrawal never ends. Here's the 10-day reset. 0 added sugar, whole foods only. Read labels, clear the pantry, start the day with protein. Add fiber every meal. Hydrate. Sleep 7 to 9 hours to restore sensitivity. When a craving hits, interrupt it. A 10-minute walk, peppermint gum, black coffee or tea, or a pinch of salt in water if you're underhydrated. Avoid healthy sugars like honey and juice, ultra-sweet zero-cal drinks that keep your palate wired, and weekend cheat bites that restart the loop. Quick wins: swap dessert for Greek yogurt with berries, replace soda with sparkling water, and prep savory snacks. Blunt spikes, starve cues, sleep well. If you remember nothing else, sugar's fast dopamine spikes build tolerance and cravings, but a strict 10-day reset restores control. Want the advanced label reading guide and a science-backed snack list to make this easy? Watch the next video and subscribe for more practical breakdowns.